Guys, today I will show you how to fix Nova AI sound problem easy and quick. So open the settings of your phone, click at apps option and search for Nova AI and click. Scroll right now this list down, click on storage option, click clear cache only. After that back, click at force stop now, click OK. You go to Play Store or App Store, update Nova AI. After updating the app, restart your mobile phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.